Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm showing you guys how to get popcorn time for free. It's working in 2019, and this is a new way you guys can get it. It's their new website that just came out. They were getting shut down a lot recently, but with this new method, it's working fast and it's secure because now they're finding out which people are bots, so they could stop all the traffic from getting loaded onto the website. But before the video starts, I want to give away 2 pairs of AirPods to you guys because I appreciate the support recently. I have 2 extra pairs because my family works at Apple and we get deals off, so I decided to get extra ones to give it away. But let me know what you guys want me to give away in the future as well. I can give away iPhones, whatever you guys want. But yeah, my new iPhone 10 is coming in the mail right now, but I have an iPhone 8 currently. But yeah, so what you guys want to do is on your mobile device, go to Safari and type in popinstall.club. This is their new website. Let me zoom it in for you guys. Popinstall.club, just like that. Once you guys are on there, you can simply scroll down right here, follow these steps. Make sure enable encryption is on, otherwise it won't work. And you can just choose all devices, it doesn't matter. And then type in your email. Okay, so once you've typed in your email, just press download at the bottom right here, and then it will download a key for you. So to download the key, this is a new way they made so you guys can prove that you're a human. So it just says complete 2 offers for popcorn time to start installing, because before people were getting on their app, which were bots, and then that was causing Apple to shut their app down. So that's the reason. And once you guys just follow the two apps that are down here, follow the two. It says complete 2 offers. So once you guys complete 2 offers down here, this page will unlock with and then you'll see a green check mark, and then a new page will open up with the download link to right here, popcorn time right here. But so just follow the 2 steps. One says get the app, open and subscribe, and then one says install and open and complete level 10 to unlock. So they're really simple things to do. Some other ones might also be like enter your email address. Those ones are the easiest to me because it takes like 2 minutes. Just enter your email. You just create an account on some movie website or something, and it counts as you're a human. So guys, if you need any help, please comment down below. I can't do it anymore because I've already downloaded the app, as you guys can see. But basically, what you guys would do is just follow two apps under the question right here. Any 2 apps that show up, just complete them. And once you guys have done that, comment down below if it worked for you. If it didn't, I'll feel free to help you guys out. Add me on Skype or something and I can help you guys out. But yeah guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. And remember to comment AirPods down below so I could choose you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe and like the video as well. Thank you guys.